Welcome back, everybody. Anyways, so for anyone wondering why their ST is idling very poorly or the motor just shuts off while you're driving, well, this is why right here. So this is your purge valve. On STs, it's very common for these to go out, and I just learned that the hard way when my car was starting to basically break down on the freeway. So it said the code that I was throwing was fuel rail pressure was low. So this is my fuel rail right here, and one reason why I think it was messing up is because of that bend right there. Not only that, but I see there's something happening right here as well. So this whole thing right here is one piece that looks like it needs to get replaced. That's causing so many issues that I've been having with it. But you know what, it's the only way you're ever gonna learn, right? Also, you can kind of see, I don't know if I can zoom in on it. So yeah, I need to go get the part for this, slap it in there, and then see how it runs. First start of the day, cold start. It's still loud even with the resonator on. It was loud as fuck with the downpipe, just straight downpipe. It was just too loud, like you can't even hear yourself talking. So it's a good thing that I got that on. Here's some turbo noises. Hybrid turbo noises, to be exact. You can really hear the intake sucking in the air. Mostly, hold on. third gear. Hold on. Yeah. I love it. Really do. You can hear the intake. Obviously the blow-off valve. Cool guys, so I just got a new revision right here. I'm gonna load it up and then we're gonna see how it performs. And it should already be on here. Tune. Probably no, it's not gonna work on PC. Alright, cool, let's go load it up. That's sick. Alright. Let's load this up. Easy. Probably shouldn't turn it on. I always cover the microphone with my finger on this camera. I gotta get used to it. But yeah, just makes the audio kinda shitty. So we're gonna load the map on right now. I don't know why it's not focusing. Let me make sure. Six, 7, 8. Yep, it's 9th revision. Let's set it up here. Let that go on. Let it flash the ECU. And see how this thing does. So I've been doing this for over a month. This is what I mean by the tuning process. Like, this shit takes fucking forever, dude. Like, damn. But yeah, it's loading up on there right now, and then we're gonna see how it performs. There we go. So it just got done. Yeah, I just got done flashing right now, so I'm going to cycle it. Yeah, key fob's fucked up in here, so there we go. So it's good there. Turn that off. Well, actually, that needs to actually go in there. Here. Just in neutral. Cycle it. Alright, start it. Damn, so some guy got pulled over there. Must be having a bad day, which sucks. And today is actually Martin Luther King Day. I did not know that. So yeah, the new revision is on there right now. I'm gonna go test it and see how it performs. So already I can notice there's more throttle response on this one. Haven't done like a fat pull yet, and it's kind of hard to record and do that at the same time, which sucks because that's like what everyone wants to see. But you can get some turbo noises. Watch. Nope, still won't. That's fucking weird. There you go. Here's a small like 5th gear pull. Ain't bad. Progress. That's all it is when it comes to tuning. Just fucking progress and progress after you dump all this money into your car, you know. I love the car. But when it comes to happiness, I mean, shit, Dom's agony. Yes, sir. So the new revision is doing really good. I like it. But you know what? So I'm just driving to go do something that I gotta take care of. But besides that, I came to realize that it's actually really awkward, like filming with clear windows and people are just like looking at you like, what is this guy doing? You know what I mean? Like, people start to get really suspicious, like, fuck, dude, like, damn. I mean, I don't know, I'm not really used to it. I really am. Like, I'm not used to just filming with my iPhone and then just putting it away and all that shit. But hopefully I will get used to it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Basically how ST is getting tuned and the issues with it and how I can get it fixed and improve on it more. Tomorrow I'm gonna post some of my my buddy's races that he helps out here that I posted before that you guys liked a lot. It's a sleeper F-150 EcoBoost that fucking is just really mean, man. That thing's fast as hell. I would never fucking race that. Anyways, peep the view. Damn. So yeah, a lot of these are gonna be me driving and talking, and then hopefully when COVID's over I can actually get a lot of car content when a lot of people start going out and hosting more car meets. But besides that, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram. I'll put all that stuff in the bio, and also if you want to know what's done to my car, I'll put all that stuff in the bio down below too. Thanks. Bye.